Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of both wonder and fear? Have you ever asked yourself the questions that hide in the cosmic shadows? What if the moon, our silent guardian, suddenly began to fall? What if the sun, the very heart of our solar system, collapsed into a black hole, ending all light and life in an instant? What if the deadliest places in the universe are not in some distant galaxy, but closer than we think? For much of human history, we believed our Milky Way was the entire universe. That idea was shattered in 1924 when Edwin Hubble proved that faint smudges of light in our telescopes were entire galaxies far beyond our own. In a single moment, our understanding of the cosmos exploded. We went from thinking we were alone to discovering the known universe may contain up to 2 trillion galaxies. 90% of them are still invisible, their light too faint for even our best telescopes to see. Knowing this opens up a universe of new questions. What really happens in the chaotic heart of a galactic collision? Could life find a way on a rogue planet thrown into the freezing darkness between stars? What strange forms could it take on a world with 2 suns, or one orbiting a violent pulsar? The what-ifs are endless. What if a starship could bend the fabric of space-time? What if we could travel through a wormhole? What if our universe is just one of many in a multiverse, each with its own different laws of physics? Perhaps the biggest question is the one we rarely ask. Is any of this even real? Could this vast, incredible reality be a highly advanced simulation, and we are simply living inside the code? The questions push us to the very edge of imagination, where science and philosophy meet. The biggest stories in the universe are yet to be told. The greatest mysteries are waiting to be solved.